Hello, how are you? Oh, I can talk about stunning simple nail design. You will, if you love decorating your nails about Erin, it's looking for a manicure that the salon or the nail artist studio. Here are some of the simple nail design ideas for you was trending and loved by all for every oceans. Dropping below 55 stunning simple nail designs you will love. Best simple nail design. Heart shaped simple nail design. On your left ring finger create a dot. Use the toothpick after dipping in the polish next to the intel toad make a second toad drawing one of the toads down with the toothpick to make 45 degree angels created the heart by adhering the second toad down unit. It touched the first toad. A very cute nail design which can suit women of all ages. If you are unsure about your nail shape, then do check out our details guide on nail shapes, as we list all the 15 types from al- among among to nail to coffin nails. We lost all of the them greatly simple nail design created using just a clear base cost and them with these sparkly silver polishes add some sparkle to every look to create an amber effect shorted in the model and so cleared as it approaches the nail tips, after which add more cost. This is a very simple nail design with a glitter. Simple modern nails. Your nail can be a change into a elegant and a simple style with just two colors